If you've ever wanted to save time in Todoist, one of the easiest little tricks you can use is duplicating a task. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a task in Todoist in just a few clicks. This is perfect when you have a task format you reuse often, like repeat reminders, template tasks, or anything you want to copy without rebuilding from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Todoist tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Todoist and go to your inbox. The inbox is usually the easiest place to find the task you want to copy, especially if it's a recent task or something you've been saving there for later. Once you're in the inbox, locate the task you want to duplicate. You can scroll through your list until you find it, or use search if you have a lot of tasks. When you found the task, look to the right side of it for the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu for that task. Click on those three dots and a menu will appear with different actions you can take. From that menu, select Duplicate. Todoist will immediately create a copy of that task for you. After that, your duplicated task will appear in your list, and now you can edit it however you want. You might want to change the due date, adjust the project, update the task name, or rewrite the details so it fits your new use. The great part is that all the structure is already there, so you don't have to start from zero. This is especially useful if you manage recurring workflows, client checklists, content planning, or personal routines. Instead of creating the same task over and over again, you can duplicate it in seconds and make small edits as needed. That makes your task management much faster and more efficient. So to quickly recap, go to your inbox, locate the task, click the three dots, choose duplicate, and then edit the copy task. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Todoist tips, productivity shortcuts, and simple app walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.